In today's free video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how and why you can add text.
Okay, so once you have your video clip selected on your video timeline, go under to the text tab right here and then type in a text that you want. In this case, we want to click add to track. So we want this text before the video. And if I highlight everything on the timeline, you can see I cannot drag the text before the video. But a tip and trick to this is to highlight everything and to move it up the video layer and then to drag it to the right, so that you can see now that the video is added onto another video layer. And if we drag the text to the beginning, we can now drag the video back like this and eclipse.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, drop this video a like, comment down below, share the video, and follow for more. I'm out.